My name is Ben Sessions. I want to talk to you briefly about how the Bill Daniel Trial Advocacy Program changed my practice. I've been through 3 or 4 different trial advocacy programs, some long, some shorter than the Bill Daniels program. And I can tell you unequivocally that the Bill Daniels program did more to advance my practice than anything else that I have attended in terms of my professional development. That 3 or 4 days was something that truly changed the way that I approach cases and the way that I prepare cases. I think that it's important that we all recognize how important that program has been to GACDL and to the practice in general. For most of us that are coming into criminal defense, there really is no guidepost that you use to train. Prosecuting Attorneys Council has a formalized program, but for us in the criminal defense bar, unless you went to something like Bill Daniels, you really didn't have anyone who sat down with you and talked to you about how it is that you're supposed to prepare the cases. And for me, it really helped me start to think about what it is I'm supposed to be doing in the preparation of my cases. And it helped me light years in terms of my development in terms of a trial lawyer. It's time that we all start really thinking about how much that program has contributed to us and how it is that we can give back just a little bit. The vast majority of your fees for attending that program were paid for by GACDL or the GACDL Lawyers Education Fund. That is a program that is heavily subsidized, and the vast majority of us, even if we could afford it, only were asked to pay a few $100s. And then GACDL in turn paid $1,500 or $1,600 to supplement the rest of the fee. So what we're asking that you do is just contribute just a little bit back to the GACDL Lawyer Education Fund to try to offset some of those costs and try to ensure that future lawyers that are looking at attending that program have the opportunity to do it. So I hope that you'll reflect back just for a few minutes about how it is that that program contributed to your practice, if it did, and I'm sure that if you attended, it's had a huge impact upon you, just like it did me, and that you'll think about giving just a few dollars, whatever it is that you can afford to do, towards the GACDL Lawyer Education Fund. Thank you so much for your time. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you soon.